Echo Barrier is a portable acoustic barrier that offers excellent noise reduction and absorption, achieving up to a 43 decibel reduction and 100% noise absorption across some frequency ranges. Echo Barrier is lightweight, water, fire, UV, and temperature resistant, superior in quality, durability, and performance. A highly effective tool for noise abatement in even the harshest work environments. Leading portable noise control. After use, Echo Barriers can be quickly and easily cleaned using a pressure washer. The PVC front and waterproof membrane rear can both be safely washed without concern for water entering the barrier. Always address safety warnings on barriers and ensure the structure upon which the barriers are mounted can handle the extra loading. Refer to the installation guide for more information, which can be found along with other relevant Echo Barrier documentation by scanning the QR code found on the face of every barrier.